Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off the flashlight or torch on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen, then swipe down at the top, swipe down again to have more settings shortcut in the quick panel. In here, tap on flashlight to turn it on, or tap on it to switch it off. Now you can also touch and hold on the flashlight icon, and here you'll be able to switch it on or off at the top here. At the bottom here, you'll be able to decrease or increase the flashlight brightness by dragging on the bar to the left or to the right, and then tap on done. Now I'm just going to switch it off and then tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Another way how you can turn on the flashlight is to use the widget from the edge panel. So if I swipe out the edge panel, you can see I can turn it on, and I can also increase or decrease the brightness of the flashlight right here. And to have this widget appear in the edge panel, what you can do is swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on displayed, then go up and tap on edge panels. Make sure you turn on edge panels and then tap on panels. At the top here, make sure you swipe across and select tools. So tap on tools and then tap on edit. And if you don't want to use location data, make sure you switch it off and then tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Now whenever you want to use the flashlight from the widget, just swipe out on the side to open up the edge panel, then swipe across again. Next, tap on the option key at the top and select flashlight, and from here you can turn on the flashlight or switch it off. Now there is also a control down here that you can decrease or increase the flashlight brightness. And once you have selected that widget, you can always access that widget again by simply swipe out the edge panel, and it will offer you the last use widget, which you can quickly access the flashlight. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.